on the bottom. Okay, this is hot. That's all it says on it, guys. It just says it's hot. Oh, it's nice and thick and luscious. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a super amazing day today. Oh my goodness, guys! I received a box all the way from San Pedro, California, from the beautiful baby girl from Salsas Chingona, guys. Oh my goodness, if you guys have not checked her profile out on Instagram, I will be linking all her information down below on the description box so that you guys can go check her out. Her stuff looks so delicious. Like, she makes tons of different types of salsas. She's so freaking amazing. Oh my goodness. And she sent me a box with, like, I have no idea what she sent in here other than her like delicious sauces. And I don't know which one she sent because she makes a whole different assortment of them, which is so freaking amazing. So let's go ahead and let's open it, guys, because ya no puedo esperar, because I'm telling you guys, her stuff looks mouth watering. Like, you could tell she's a great cook, a great mama también. Oh my goodness, like, beyond excited, guys. And I don't know, this is like an interesting fact. Her name is Brenda, but her middle name is Maribel, and one of her last names is Carrillo, which is so freaking cool because my mom's name is Maribel Carrillo. Like, what the bubbles? Like, that is so awesome. Interesting fact. She doesn't even know this. Oh, guys, vamos a abrir esto. Very, very well packaged. Oh my goodness, and it's such a pretty box, guys. Look at this. So freaking beautiful. That is a huge sticker. The box is so pretty. Vamos a abrirla. A ver que... Oh, guys, I got a shirt. Which I will be doing a story later on Instagram, so be following me on Instagram. Oh, this is so cool. So freaking cool. Oh, thank you so much, baby girl. And I got sauces, guys. I got 3 sauces. Oh my goodness, that's quite a bit of them. Okay, pues vamos a ver de qué son, ¿verdad? Okay, the first one, ooh, a habanero one. Ooh, guys, oh my goodness, I don't know if this camera is doing it justice, but there's like some roasted pieces on here. They look so good. Okay, more. Ooh, the color on this one, guys, is so vibrant. This is the picante salsa. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's gonna be spicy. One more, guys. Woo! Oh, the color. Look, just look at the color on these, guys. They look so good. Like, ya no puedo aguantarme las ganas de probarlos, guys. And this one's hot. This one's hot. Okay, so which one would be hotter? The hot one or the picante one? Okay, I'll do the hot one last, guys. Like I said, all her information will be not only here on the description box down below, but also on Instagram when I do the post there. And let's go ahead and try it. I'm pretty sure I should do them in the order that I took them out, guys. So, vamos a hacer the habanero one first. Oh my goodness. It looks delicious. Oh, guys, I'm telling you guys, her stuff looks delicious. And she doesn't only make this, like, she goes to farmers markets and she sells like a mole sauce that if you go on Instagram, oh, like, se me antoja el mole just from looking at her sauce, guys. Whew, definitely gotta order that one from her eventually. Oh my, oh, ¿para qué tengo el cuchillo ya, verdad? Vamos a poner el cuchillo para abajo. I'm telling you guys, I'm always with my cuchillo. It has a dripper stopper cap, so that's cool. I'm scared. I mean, it has habaneros. Let me go ahead and take it off because I don't want to just do a drop of it, which would be perfect on like tacos and stuff like that, but we're gonna try it. So vamos a llenar la cucharita. Consistency. Oh, look at that. Se me va a tirar. Let's not be wasteful there. Oh my goodness. No way. Goodness gracious, guys. It has heat. Tastes like habaneros. Perfect amount of saltiness. It has no ingredients. Maybe I can get some ingredients off of her and post them on Instagram, guys. But it is really, really delicious. The seasoning is great. Not only on tacos, this one would be perfect on everything. And as you guys saw, it's like the perfect consistency for my chips. I love salsa with chips. Oh, it is so good. It's hot, but it's not to the point that you're like mouth burning where I don't want any more. It's addicting to where you just want to keep tasting it. Oh my goodness. So delicious. No, hombre, baby girl. ¿Tienes ese toque? El sazón buenísimo. This one is delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. One of my top favorites right now. Oh, I can't believe I haven't tasted this before. So good. So I'm only more excited for the next ones, guys. Look at this one. Picante hot sauce. The other one has some heat, guys. It has some heat. So imagínate this one. And then the hotter one, I mean, they only get darker in color, guys. So that's only gonna mean that they're gonna be hotter and hotter, ¿verdad? Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one. Let's give it a good little shake. And let me take off that dripper stopper cap. Oh, so exciting, so exciting. And let's try it, guys. Okay, it's a little more liquidy, but the color of it is so vibrant. Okay, I want to say the habanero one was spicier. This one has a bit more of a sweetness, almost like if it was Fresno peppers. Fresno peppers do that. Gives you a mild sweetness at first. Seasoning, again, it's perfection. It is great, great seasoning. Like, these are salsas mexicanas, guys. Like, you can tell the Mexican authenticity with these. They are so good that, honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You could just drink it out of the bottle. It's that type of salsa. I gotta stop myself because I still gotta post it on Instagram. Just one more. It is so good, guys. So good. Highly recommend this one también. Oh my goodness, girl. They are so flavorful. Like, I don't know how you get so much flavor in one salsa. And it's different. Some salsas that you try, you're like, oh, it's the same thing. They just cut the flavor and stuff. No, like, she added different peppers. The technique in cooking them, like, you can tell it was different. Like, wow. Wow, like, I'm pretty sure all her stuff is delicious. Like I told you guys, like, this stuff looks mouth-watering on Instagram. So I was really, really looking forward for these hot sauces. No, hombre, they did not disappoint. Those two, perfection. Let's go ahead and try the third one, which is way, way darker in color, a little more intimidating, guys. It's even darker than my shirt, guys. Like, it's dark. Okay, this is hot. That's all it says on it, guys. It just says it's hot. So, be prepared for that, baby girl, ¿verdad? Okay, vamos a abrirla. Ya me está quemando un poco la boca just because they are spicy. But I'm telling you guys, it's that addictive spice that you just want more and more and more. So vamos a abrir esta. Let's take that cap off. Oh my goodness. It smells like the peppers were roasted on this one. Oh, it's nice and thick and luscious. Okay, let's try it. This is so good. Like, if you were to make some ground turkey tacos, add this one on top. So delicious. Like, I want to tell you guys exactly what it has in it, but I don't know. I could tell it has like onion and garlic in it. The seasoning is great. It's not too salty. It's like perfect. This one's like, you can add it on your chicken as an adobo. Oh, it would be so bomb on some chicken. Y tengo chicken descongelando, guys. Make some arroz and some frijoles and add this on there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I cannot stress how good these are. So delicious. They go good on anything and everything, to tell you the truth. But that's the thing about Mexicans who like come up with their own salsas. The flavors, they're just so different from other hot sauces. Like, you can actually taste, like I'm telling you guys, the authenticity. You can taste Mexico like right there. And I know she's from California, but if you guys know the story, California was part of Mexico before. So there's the authenticity part. Oh guys, me las voy a acabar. Like, honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I can finish them in one day. So delicious. Thanks a million, baby girl, for sending me all of this. Like, I was not expecting so much. Like, you're so freaking amazing. I appreciate you a million. Guys, go check her out. Highly recommended salsas by me. So freaking delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Have a super amazing day. Bye.